Nizim Africa sanibonani dumelang absheni and hello. Nibuliswa inkosi yamathongo, the oracle of God. The person who's on the sangoma, neither being an inyanga, but I'm an oracle of God. Mina ngumuntu ekuthi ngayenza esikolweni i-African medicine. Ngathola kwa diploma, ngathola kwa degree, ngathola kwa honors, ngathola kwa up until ngize graduate nge-PhD yami, nga-honarwa nge-PhD ngine I'm getting a PhD under African medicine. I have learned how to use plants. I have learned how to heal plants. I have learned the good side and the bad side of plants. So, ngiyayiphinda lento. Don't regard me sangoma. Don't regard me as an inyanga. I'm an oracle of God. Everywhere ngiyangena. Kuyimanje ngizovula inkonzo yabasindiswa. Kuyimanje ngizovula inkonzo yabantu abaholy phela, and I do again run a church yesintu of which inkonzo yomoya. Mamela ngwaneso, today I want to talk about into abantu of which they normally do mistakes on. The issue of people having fights, quarrels and all that. Then when you come to me as a healer, you want me to intervene on that issue. A person will ask me, Dr. Oti, I have a friend of mine who took my man. One will say, Dr. Oti, I have a man who took my wife. Someone will say, Dr. Oti, my father was killed by who. Now I want you to intervene on that matter. Lo muntu loye umbulale. One will say, Dr. Oti, someone did this to me. Then I want that person to be involved in a car accident. Can you do that for me? Then I'll be saying to you, it's okay, I'll do it for you. Then umuntu zabeti mefika la, please do it lo muntu lo kwenze kanje kuyi. Mamela ngwaniso, kwatla mamela. Ngifuna ngizwe kahle. I want you to hear me very carefully and understand me. Mina, I don't fight your battles. Mina, I give you something which will fight your battles. Na kimuloi. I'm an oracle of God. I learn imithi. After learning imithi, wena uzakimi, ufike uthi kimi, Dr. Oti ngifuna ukudlisa indoda yami. Mina angidlisi indoda yakho. Wena udlisa indoda yakho. Awumamele ukirini. Nahoti angidlisi indoda yakho. Wena udlisa indoda yakho. Ngento uyinikezwe uHoti. Now I'll give you something that you will use wena, so that ukwazi ukuthi udlise umyeni wakho. Isungure nna ngidlisa umyeni wakho. Hake bapali bila kibimaka kibuachi. Hake bapali bila kibimaka na kibuachi. Wena ka buena. Wena ki wena o tlile ngore Dr. Oti. Na ke batli bua maka. Na I need uthi indoda yami ngidlise. Then when on that note, ujisa monna hao. Kuna abantu binabeza namaphoto la kimi, umuntu afike nephoto afika athi, mkhulu, ngize nephoto, ngifuna lo muntu lo uthi ashawe accident within a week. Hakinabuthatha. Wena nansi impande. Enza kanje na kanje. Simple. Not ukuthi mina ngithatha ifoto yomuntu ngiloyithela ingiloy lawyer. That's not my battle. It is yours. Ingakho omunye umuntu engibuza athi Dr. ngifuna umuthi ubuyisa indoda. Uma ngifuna Dr. umbuyise indoda yami. Mina angibuyisi indoda. Mina ngunikeza impande ezobuyisa indoda yakho. Nakufa Muriana otlogutlisa monna hao. Muriana akufile ona. Wena utlo unka Muriana o ubitse monna hao monna o atle. Isongure nna ke tlo bitsa monna o nna ke motsebi. Na ka tlwakile ya kota le monna hao, monna o kotane le wena. Madi a haya mathaka ro wena, ha matheka ro nna. So how can naki ngithi hoza, ngiyakubiza, hoza asantsebi akasika bakutla wona. Nginika wena impande. Regardless of you uliko let's say you are in Lesotho. I can send you imithi via DHL. I can send you imithi via the courier of which I'm using in Midrand. I can send you imithi. I send imithi all over. You are in UK, America, Canada, China, wherever you are, ngiyayithumela imithi. But mina angubizeli umuntu ubizwa impande. Ufuna ukuthi umuntu agibele iquantum, umuntu anyamalale, anyamalale kuyoba izombi, mina ngikunikeza impande onamshaya abecome izombi. Mina angishayi muntu, mina angishayi muntu. If you feel as if ngathi ngiweak, hamba uyodliwa imali emangeni, abantu bathatha etsemaka uzwe umuntu athi ngizokushayela umuntu ngomuthi afe. How can ushaye umuntu ngomuthi afe umuntu ongamazi? That's barbaric, that's insane. How can you say ntombi ngiyakubiza, buya ntombi kule rato, buya ntombi kuthabiso, buya ntombi kuThepha? You can't do that. You can't do that. How tlile go nna mina ngikunikeza umuthi, I direct you ukuthi umuthi lo usebenzisa kanjani. Yingakho nanoma uselisukisiko usemthatha, ndiyakwazi ukuthi ngikuthumele amayeza ufike wasebenzise wenza into ofuna ukuyenza. Not ukuthi wena kumele ukuthi uma uselisukisiki mina ngibiza umyeni wakho ngiseGauteng. Mina ngikunikeza impande. Kuje tso rumita so uzabe seza lo muntu wakho. Why would you give us? So mina ngibona abantu beza kumina ngeyikipa zabantu omunye utla ka ndapene gwamatetsing andapene gwamatetse fela se gwamba sa monna sa ntata mo lo bona gore ke gala phila ngwaneso banna ba tla ka dipenti mo honna dipenti e chileng penti ichile penti ichile penti discharge yentombazana ichile penti ondlela penti nizovala umsebenzi wami omunye umuntu uzangena la kwami la engene ephethe ama-pads engwaneso naki sebenzi njalo angisebenzi mina kanjalo. Mina uma uze kumina nginika wena impande. Wena if uthola ipad lomyeni wa ipad lomfazi wakho kapa uthotse mashishi ya high or I don't know user eng nthontse di ntsa lona tse di etsang uthotse penti ili discharge imadi what you do when it is very simple. What you do, I give you a herb, then afterwards when you go and work on that pad, on that pant, on that underwear of your husband, not ukuthi nize kwami ngamanda pena ngaka andapene kan obona gore mareta tenki mareta la apartheid ya gale. No, I can't iyandapene nje impela nje umuntu ubheka amasende akhona uyabona la kungena amasende umuntu apartheid umuntu akudala ngasikhuni. That's not how I work. I don't work like that. Mina, if you want me to help you, I tell you ukuthi ukubuyisa indoda it is 3.5,000. Ukubuyisa umfazi 3.5,000. Ukudlisa umfazi 3.5,000. When what you do, you come to me, mina ngikunikeza impande. Uma ukude ngiyakuthumela, I direct you what to do. Not this issue of yours of telling me that Dr. Oti ngibizela indoda. Ngibize indoda emakhosini nami ngibize ukwenza emakhosini nami. Emakhosini nami lapha kuhlala Oti, mina ngikhipha imithi le mina ngayinikeza Oti. That's how it is. Ke gona di tlhare tse leng gore di berekile nthusa batho. Not an issue or wena o tla nontso o tla ka di bra tsa basadi ba tsa difebe. Omunye umuntu uphetha amapenti awu2, ipenti lesifebe sinye futhi ngapha. Ngikhulube kuphela abantomazana wahlanganisa bento yodwa. Ngwaneso mina ngikunikeza impande, wena mufika ekhaya uyahlanganisa. La kwami la angisebenzi mina angisebenzeli emaflatini, ngisebenzela kwami. Angifune amapenti la, angifune ama-pads, angifune akibathi diabli braza bonkgono mo haka. This Dr. Oti ikhehla lamakhehla. What I was just saying, it's an issue yokuthi uma ngusebenza, the battle is yours, it is not mine. Uma ngiye ngathi kuwe vuka ngo3 wena warobala, the battle is yours, it is not mine. If ufuna ukuthi umuntu angene kukhaya accident ngempande when you are user, the battle is yours, it is not mine. If ngingathi vuka ngo3 noma vuka ngo12 wena awukwenzi lokho, kusasa uzongibiza iscam enekhohlwa. Akunanyanga ukuthi phatha umuntu njengami la, ayikho. Nanoma ngaya kuphi akunanyanga ukuthi phatha umuthi njengami, ayikho. Bathaye ukuthi lento bayiwise ikuhlulile, ayikho. This Dr. Oti khehla lamakhehla. Siyabonga.